friends, welcome back. Do you want to know a hack I use to prepare and prep for a restaurant style meal during my busy week? Well, stick around and I'm going to show you how. So, as you can see, I settled on this piece of salmon. It was roughly $22 with tax. Now, if you order a salmon meal at a restaurant, it's usually going to run you upwards of $15 to $20. So yeah, that's a good price. Now, you can use any seasoning that you like. We prefer lemon pepper. And I'm also going to baste it with a little bit of melted butter. You can leave this step out and use a dry rub, just whatever you prefer. Now, I would suggest cutting these in even pieces, but we prepare ours on a single basis. So my daughter's the only one that eats the salmon. So I did cut these up in portions that, cater to her. And as you can see, I'm getting about 6 pieces of salmon. So that's going to be just a little bit under $4 for each piece. And that's a really good deal. So now I'm going to go ahead and baste each side with the butter. And then I'm going to also put seasoning on both sides. Again, use whatever seasoning you like. Now, as you can see, the butter kind of solidifies on here because the salmon's cold, but that's okay. When we thaw it out, it's going to melt, and that's going to work for us. So there you go. Just go ahead and season it how you like. And then we're going to move to our Foodsaver. Now, I feel like every household in America should have one of these guys. This is a lifesaver for me. Saves food, saves time, all of the above. And then we're going to go ahead and stick our salmon in there. And what the Foodsaver is going to do, it's going to take out all the air from the bag, which means this salmon's going to last a lot longer than if we just put it in the freezer in like a Ziploc or something like that. And so that little red button shows me that it's sealed, and there we go. Easy peasy. So guys, if you want to see how I prepare a restaurant style meal in about 20 minutes, like and subscribe, come back, because I'm going to show you how I prepare this salmon with a garlic butter broccolini. It's so good. And there you have it, guys. Like, subscribe, and share. Share with someone who needs this hack in their life. Thanks for your support, guys.